This is how to change linked JumpTask account ID in Honeygain. This is inside of JumpTask mobile app. The first thing we need to do is to locate JumpTask account ID. To do that, you tap here, you tap that. You can see it has opened. This is your profile picture and this is your name. Under this your name, you see account ID. This is my JumpTask account ID and you are going to see your own too. You tap here to copy it. We go to Honeygain. You can see this is my Honeygain mobile app. For you to locate where to change and input the already copied JumpTask ID, you come to this place, this more, you tap here. You come here, you see your email here. Under your earnings, you see edit profile. You tap edit profile, edit profile. Then you scroll down, You can see my wallet. You see Honeygain and you see JumpTask. This is where you input the new JumpTask account ID. This is my JumpTask account ID. For you to change your own, you just tap change. All you need to do is to paste the account ID. Look at it. This is where you slot your own. All you need to do is to delete the one that is there before and paste the new one. And you tap add the account. You do your verification and your JumpTask account ID will be added automatically after proper verification. For you to change your JumpTask account ID in Honeygain using website, the first thing you need to do is to locate JumpTask account ID. And we are inside JumpTask website already. To locate the JumpTask account ID, you come to this place, you tap here. As soon as you tap that, you can see this is your profile. This is my profile name. Under that, what you are going to see is this string of numbers. And this is my JumpTask account ID. You just copy it. You copy it. You take this to where you are going to change it. That is in Honeygain. This is the inside of my Honeygain. And I already copied the JumpTask account ID. To effect the change of JumpTask account ID on Honeygain website, you come to this place. You click my profile. You click profile setting. You then scroll down. You can see my wallet. You see Honeygain and you see JumpTask. What you want to change is your JumpTask account ID in Honeygain, and this is inside Honeygain using web. You can see your JumpTask account ID. This is the one I have there before. For me to change it, I just click change, delete this and paste a new one, and I will tap add the account. Since I'm not changing my own, I'm just using it for demonstration purpose. As soon as you click add the account, it will take you to the verification and your JumpTask account ID will be added to your Honeygain. That is how to change your JumpTask account ID in Honeygain. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment. I promise to get back to you. See you in the next video. Bye for now.